Welcome. If you're looking for a way to turn off direct messages from other server members on Discord, you're in the right place. Whether you want a little more privacy or just want to cut down on unwanted messages, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make sure you're in control of your inbox. Let's get started. First, open up Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your user settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Content and Social. Tap on that to open up more options related to your interactions and privacy. Now, under the server settings area, you'll see a toggle labeled Direct Messages. This is the setting that controls whether or not you can receive DMS from other members in servers you share. If you want to stop receiving these messages, simply toggle this option off. A confirmation prompt will pop up, just to make sure you really want to turn off direct messages from server members. Go ahead and confirm your choice. Once you do, Discord will automatically update your preferences, and you'll no longer receive DMs from people in servers unless you're friends with them. And that's it. You've successfully turned off direct messages from other server members on Discord. This small change can make a big difference in your online experience, giving you more control over who can reach out to you. If you ever change your mind, you can always follow these steps again and toggle the setting back on. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Discord experience. See you next time.